If you're seeing Steam Error 83, you're dealing with a file access timeout issue. And in most cases, it means Steam is waiting too long for your game files to respond. That usually happens because your hard drive is overloaded or because an antivirus or firewall is scanning and locking the files right when Steam tries to launch the game. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's talk about the most common cause, security software. If your antivirus or firewall is actively scanning the game files, it can block Steam for a moment and trigger Error 83. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall, then try launching the game again. If the game opens normally, you found the cause. Just remember, this is only for testing, and you should turn your protection back on after checking. Next, restart your PC. This sounds simple, but it can fix a lot of hidden background issues. Sometimes a process gets stuck in the background, and those so-called zombie processes keep holding on to game files even after you've closed everything. A full restart clears that out and gives Steam a clean start. After that, verify the integrity of your game files inside Steam. Open your Steam library, right-click the game that's giving you the error, go to Properties, then click Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check the files and replace anything that's missing or corrupted. This is one of the best built-in fixes because it makes sure the game itself is not the problem. Now, let's check your drive performance. If your hard drive is at 100% usage, Steam may not be able to read the game files fast enough, and that delay can trigger Error 83. Open Task Manager or your system performance tools and look at disk usage. If the drive is constantly maxed out, close unnecessary apps, pause heavy downloads, and give your system some breathing room. If you're using an older hard drive, this issue can happen more often, especially while launching larger games. Another very effective fix is adding Steam to your antivirus exclusions instead of turning protection off completely. This is a much safer long-term option. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, then click Manage Settings. Scroll down to Exclusions, choose Add or Remove Exclusions, select Folder, and then pick your SteamLibrary folder. This tells Windows Security to leave those game files alone, which can prevent future timeouts when Steam launches a game. If you use a different antivirus program, look for a similar Exclusions or Exceptions menu and add your Steam install folder there too. Once you've done that, try launching the game again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve Steam Error 83 right away. If the problem was caused by security scanning, the exclusion should stop it from coming back. If it was a drive bottleneck, reducing disk usage should help Steam read the files in time. And if it was a temporary background issue, a restart or file verification can usually clear it up. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Steam fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.